If I come over and look at that then in the Nasdaq, so there's the daily chart. Again, we took out the October low, so there isn't any room below us in the Nasdaq other than as the Alt 4 count, where we take another reasonably substantial step down, hopefully maintaining divergences on the technicals, and then we start what I would hope would be an impulse wave to the upside. So we'll see. But again, coming down the time frames, and you just look at this in the Nasdaq, it's even clearer. There's no way of getting anything other than an A, B, C at best out of that, and we have not taken out any resistance above at all of any consequence in the Nasdaq. Dow Jones, same thing. The pattern's identical effectively in the Dow Jones to that in the S&P 500. It is still possible to go straight up in a C wave off the low, but the pattern is really not clear. We've got that exact same spike and reversal in 3 waves this morning. So I suspect we're going to come down today and take out last week's lows. Would be that would be on the balance of probabilities what to expect today, I would suggest.